vlog the different one. So, don't vlog my face, please. I don't like it.
Okay.
Alright, 1, 2, 3. Did you say it was time? Chase! When I said no, no.
Yeah, jump, no.
Did you already turn it on?
Yeah.
Welcome back to my channel, Rativa Vlog. Guys, ito, mag-unbox tayo ng box! Yeah! So, guess what? Ano to? I know already what's inside, which is, it's my phone! Kasi yung phone ko, basag siya sa likod, kaya pinalitan ng bago ng asawa ko. Kaya ito, I have new one. I have a new phone. Guys, ano kaya? Tingnan natin. Woohoo! There you go, guys. Saan yung scissor? Ito, guys. So, there you go. Hold on, Danica. Buksan natin. It's a new phone! Nabasag kasi. It was broken at the back. And then, well, it's still working, but I want new one. So, kaya pinalitan nila ng bago kasi may warranty yung phone ko. Yan, bago siya. So, may kasamang, which is my husband is going to set it up for me. Hindi ko alam paano. Ayan, nakaano na. Pinalitan nila ng bago kasi it's the same phone, and also it's exactly the same phone because my old one is actually broken at the back. So there's warranty. They just sent me a new phone. I think we only pay $199. That's all. So yan. There you go yung charger niya. This is the charger. Hey kuya. And another SIM card. May SIM card siya for international. Ayan. Ayan guys, I have new phone now. Yung old phone ko, isasend ko sa kanila uli. Kasi kailangan nila yun. What's the other one? So, I'm not sure what is inside. Ito yung box. This is the box we're going to send my old phone na yung nabasag. Para maisa ulit namin sa Verizon. Titingnan na ano nangyayari. Kasi basag basag yung likod niya. Kaya sabi lang sa kabilihan niya na lang ako ng isa. Kasi may warranty din naman. Sayang din naman, di ba? So, ayan guys. I have new phone. Ayan. Let me see. Ano ka? Diba? Cute niya. Cute niya guys. Yan. Yun talaga yung phone ko. Ayun. That's all guys. Thank you so much. Please don't forget like and share and comment below. Subscribe guys. Thank you all so much. That's my daughter Danica. My Danica. That's my daughter Danica.
You got a SIM card.
Yes. So can you say bye bye Danica? What you can say?
Like, subscribe, leave a comment.
What else?
And share.
Oh, I share it with you. And thank you all so much for your support. Bye. Don't upload it. I mean,
Okay, we won't.
I told you don't upload it.
Okay.
You put it on before you break my phone.
How you like the new phone?
I love it. You know, this one, see this one. You want US?
They look the same.
They all look the same. The other one is broken. They have a warranty, so they sent me a new one.
Oh, that makes sense.
So they sent me the other one is broken, so this one is more like new.
Did you have to pay for it just to get a new one?
I think $199.
It's a lot.
It's not a lot. This is $1,000 something.
Okay.
Why are you putting on my face?
Because you were talking.
So there you go. I got new phone. I'm just waiting for my husband to what do you call that?
Set it up.
Yeah, he's going to set it up. And it's a new phone. Don't touch my phone.
Okay.
Hey, Mom.
What about this phone I have right
How
now?
about this?
Like that one.
We're going to send it to them.
Mom, how
That
about
to
this?
them?
Don't break your phone.
No, I did not break my phone. That was foggy.
Let's not talk about it.
Cameraman.
Let's not talk about it. Joshua, what you up to? What you up to? Got anything to say to the camera? What you making? What is that? That Play-Doh? Can you say Play-Doh?
Listen to this slide.
Hey, Mom. She's your second favorite.
Let's just sit.
You always do this stuff.
What are you up to?
You and your husband.
No, I think not. Jay, if we get a new phone, she's gonna have my phone. And you're gonna have daddy's.
Yeah, I'm just gonna keep
Y'all
my
gonna
phone.
get a new phone?
Yeah, me and daddy.
We just got done with work and now we're just relaxing. Sooner or later, we're probably gonna clean up. I mean, we'll clean up.
Yeah, my
For the
face,
next
look
day.
at- I don't have socks. No socks.
Zoom it on.
Socks, no socks. Hey, don't do that!
Sorry.
We're planning to get a new one, and then Danica can have my phone, and then he can have daddy's phone. Pogi always have his phone.
Wait, it's gonna be the old.
Daddy's no, it's not.
He's gonna be the Burma. He's gonna have the 8.
Hey, it's still pretty good.
As long as it's the
Burma.
oh, goodness.
Millennial.
Inside.
Right now, this is the broken phone. As you can see, look at the back of it.
Guys, it's actually broken, like completely broken.
And,
So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Hold on.
See,
That's a
there's
new one, and this one is actually. Hold on.
It's the same one.
Be careful, the box.
New. Okay. Come on. Tap. People want to see it.
Okay, guys, here.
Here's the broken part.
Broken talaga siya, guys. So, this is broken. They actually send me the new one. So, they're all the same. Because there's a warranty in it. Lifetime, I think, warranty. So, if this is broken, there was a new one.
Right.
So, I don't know. Did Daddy pay for it? I think that he paid for it $199.
It's a lot.
It's not a lot.
Not.
Yeah, it's fine. The phone was $1,000 plus. So, $1,000
Well,
plus.
at least cost more than there.
So sad. That was the new one, but they're all the same.
Wow.
I can have this one and
He
you can
did
have
not just say
No,
that.
you cannot.
He did.
We're sending it back to them.
No.
Why are you so rude?